Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm a human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. I'm also the host of the Human Kaizen podcast, available wherever you listen to podcasts. By the way, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. December 11th. The greatest good you can do for another is not just to share your riches, but to reveal to him his own. Benjamin Disraeli. Look, don't give one food just so much as actually teaching them to cook. And not just follow the recipe, but understanding the why and play around and develop a feel and an intuitive understanding. That brings them to the next level. Teach your mentees not to regurgitate, but to think, to learn, to comprehend. Help people develop skills and mastery and a vision around it. It's a higher order of understandings of themselves and their abilities, and that will help them to unlock their own excellence. I'm Joe Templin. Be excellent and grow today.